It's not that simple.
Well, the reason it's not that simple is because we weren't in charge of the process. I've been saying this for 25 years.
He is a convicted criminal. On the first count of contempt of court, he was convicted and served that sentence.
Convicted criminals sitting in the House of Lords making laws over us. Nobody seems very bothered about that.
If you were at that meeting with Jean-Claude Juncker, what would you be saying tomorrow?
Well, something a lot different from Mrs May, I think. And by the way, we have a prescribed list. There are ex-members of the BNP sitting as Labour and Conservative councillors. We don't do that. We have a prescribed list, and what I've asked the party to do is to consider waiving that list, which we can do under our constitution, in one particular case, his. And I, in a spirit of democracy, said that should be put to the members.
You have to do it under those terms.
Well, that's precisely why I just said we repealed the 1972 European Communities Act so that we've left under our law and our constitution. I've been focusing on Brexit, which is why we're going to organise this great big Brexit betrayal, Brexit means exit march on the 9th. We are going to try and get tens and tens of thousands of people out to that. And my objective there is to encourage those people to come and join UKIP, because the only thing that makes any difference in this whole debate is how many votes can you take away from the Tories and Labour at the next general election. That's the only thing they care about. We cannot have our laws made by an outside body. The whole of our membership for the last 45 years has been unconstitutional, unlawful, and actually void under our law. The only way that it can be salvaged is to get rid of Mrs May and to put somebody in her place who genuinely wants to leave the European Union.
I mean, is there a name you have in mind who should be doing this on our behalf?
Me.
Yeah, I thought it might be. I just thought I'd ask. Gerard Batten, great to talk to you. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you very much.